Back to another video. I'm filming for Jaden, but this is my mongoose. I'll start from the front. We have a colony tire, if you can see that right there. Sorry if you can't see that. With a mongoose front I forget, but it's like a bronzy purple. We have a front peg. These are probably going to sound really bad, but we have MGP forks in the front and just a regular stem front, mongoose bars and mongoose grips. It is pretty rough, but it does the job. MGP crank, sprocket, and chain. No, the chain is mongoose, but I took all the brakes off because they were just getting in the way. At the back we have a pitch flow tire, and this rim. I really don't know what this thing is. It likes to give out sometimes. One peg, mongoose pedals, and it's in a orangey yellow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Might go get Jaden's bike and do his for him.